Hello, my name is Danny Garcia and this is the conclusion. The design of horizontal supply functions plays a key role in improving the productivity of the Mexican company SFC by coordinating processes such as inventory management, transportation, and demand forecasting. SFC is able to optimize its resource and reduce operational costs. The integration of technology like neural networks and collaborative logistics has strengthened the supply chain, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction. This horizontal function ensured that all departments work together toward the same goal, delivering quality production in less time and a lower cost. Thank you.